Let the boat go. You're good. You're good. Breathe. Breathe with me. Breathe. Hey! No, no, you're great. Keep breathing. Keep talking.
Okay.
Get her and fuck the boat. You alright? Okay, I got your paddle. I got you. Yeah.
Yeah, working there?
Yeah, yeah. Big time.
You're good now. Thank you.
Good job. Good job. You alright?
Hey,
How you doing?
I'm okay.
Take your breath, take your time. We're in no hurry.
Trying so hard to hold on.
Dude, you held on forever. And just so you know, your camera was pointed down the entire time. I got you though.
Oh,
But you were good. Yeah. I mean, the problem is you got recycled back in there.
like I felt myself like right here.
Yes.
And then like I rolled up and I was back in it.
Well, there was another boat that came over and pinned you.
Oh.
Not on purpose.
Oh,
they
yeah.
just pinned you.
I felt someone like knock me a little bit.
And yeah, and that was me also trying to flip you.
Oh.
But it was stuck because you were sandwiched.
Fuck.
So,
Thank you.
absolutely.
That's a great job hanging in there. You hung out like way longer than I thought you would. I was just like, oh my god. Yeah, good job, Jimmy. Yeah, you definitely. Once the boat's piled in, there's nothing you can do in that small pocket.
Well, she got sandwiched right here when I was trying to flip her.
Yep.
Nothing.
Yeah.
I got the whole thing though.
I'll have to get that from you.
Are you at camp, obviously? Are you at camp?
Yeah.
Okay. I got a big ass white van with the roof goes up. So,
Do you have a white van?
with the roof that goes up on it?
Okay, cool. I'll see you.
Yes. Well, and I'll see you today. So. Oh.
I was way left. I was like, I don't know if you could have got more left.